Come September 2013, life in Perez would be strange. The colors would have faded and the wind's direction changed. A silence will remain where a storm would have subsided. Life will become anew. For good or bad, it remains undecided. And while we enjoy the times gone by, his absence will bring a few tears to our eyes. For this friend, a role model to me, has retired his administrative journey. That friend and family to many now leaves behind a great legacy. His impressions will forever be a light in the hearts he touched. That beacon of greatness is no other than our principal, Mr. Errol Jayakaran Singh. To others, you are Mr. Jayakaran Singh. To us, you are Jakes. You helped us distinguish wrong from right. Sometimes you had to lend a helping hand. Ouch! But we had to take it like a man. It has been 10+ years, yet only now comes some pain. For that familiar face will not be seen again. And as I pass through my final year, at least my memories will always be there. But never fear, we are Presmen. You have molded us well. Our motto, proud to be, the reality exists in the students you will see. And for the end of time plus a day, proud to be Pres will forever remain. From boys to men, we have become. Without your guidance, would it have happened? Presentation College San Fernando is not just a school, you see. It's where we call home, a place where we don't make friends, but brothers instead. This lifestyle, this family, and the values you have instilled in us over the years will remain with us even as we develop our very own gray hairs. Though you have retired, you will forever be known as the King of Pres. It's not our desire for you to leave, but don't worry, sir. Big man, don't grieve. As for this new page that you turn, a new era of greatness will emerge. To end this, I would like to say, I wish you all the very best for the rest of your days.